Suzuki DF4. It's a 2002 with probably less than 2 hours on it. So that's it, pumping plenty of water. Can you sling it in gear, mate? That's engaging, so it's all working as it should. And a little bit of reverse. No revs. There's it running in reverse. Can you whip the lid off and then show you the workings. It's absolutely mint under there. The cover's got a few scratches on it, but that's from transportation. As you can see, it's absolutely clean as a whistle. The worst thing about it is the other side of this cover. As you see, the stickers are missing. Again, that's just because it's got scratched in transit. Absolutely mint.